Did you know that you can run YouTube channels without ever talking in any videos and without your voice? So let's start with niche number one, which is the music niche. Now this would consist of either making music yourself or paying other people to make music for you. Again, you don't want to just go grab music from royalty-free places and put it on your video and call it your video because you might have trouble monetizing that way. So how about an example of a channel that's doing this? Well, here's a channel called Tim Janis, and this guy makes the music himself. As you can see, uploads videos, gets tons of views on his videos. In fact, his channel is getting 5.8 million views per month just creating this music. And then as you can see, also he sells his music right here as well, so that's another income stream for him. And these videos get tons of views, just beautiful, relaxing music. And another option would be to pay someone on either Fiverr or Upwork to create this type of music for you. But you can also do this making the music yourself. If you're a musician or if you know someone who can make music like this, that's certainly an option as well. Now you might also notice that he's running several live streams at the same time, and you might wonder, how is he doing this? You might have seen live streams like this. Well, this can be accomplished by using a tool like the Restream Scheduler right here, which will allow you to live stream already recorded videos or music. Now let me ask you a question. If you had the choice between trying to do this all yourself, guessing what's going to work and learning through trial and error, or straight up discovering what works and working with someone who's already done this time and time again. If you chose the second option, I'd love to introduce you to my course and coaching program called Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0. Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 is a step-by-step blueprint that walks through exactly how I run 9 different profitable YouTube channels, how I actually generate my videos, get other people to make the videos for me, how I make sure my videos are optimized so that they get views and so that you're not just wasting your time with YouTube. Plus, you get to join a private community that I'm in every single day, answering as many questions as I possibly can so that you can get the help and support that you need along the way from someone who's actually done this. So if you're interested in Tube Mastery and Monetization, you can check out the link below this video right here.